Selecting an object just got easier with improvements to Photoshop's Object Selection tool. The Object Selection tool is nested under the Magic Wand tool in the toolbar here. Let's say I'm going to use this photo for a behind-the-scenes article in a film magazine. I want to make the sky a little bit more blue, so I'm going to select the tool and hover over the sky, and you can see that it highlights it in blue. The software is using machine learning to recognize the areas that I might want to select. Now I can simply select it with just one click. It might take a little time for the software to recognize where you want to select, so just be patient with it. If you need to make adjustments to the selection, you can use other tools like the Quick Selection tool, which is also underneath the Object Selection tool. Now I'm going to make the sky a little less gray using the Color Balance filter. So I'm just going to go over here to Adjustments, then Color Balance, and I'm going to move this around a little bit. And there we go. Before, what I just did could have taken me 3 times as long, but now it took me less than a minute. Have fun playing around with the improvements to the Object Selection tool in Photoshop.